The Institute of Management Study Kolkata, established in 2006 and affiliated with Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, offers a range of UG and PG programs. In this video, we will focus on its flagship BSc program rated 3.6 by students on Shiksha.com. Let's jump right into the 3.7 rated placements. In the 2023-24 placement drive, IMS Kolkata attracted healthcare giants like Apollo, Fortis, Max, Siemens and Philips, successfully recruiting 70 to 85% of the BSc batch. Students report that the highest salary reached 12 lakh per annum, with the average settling around 7 lakh per annum. Compared to Siliguri's Inspiria Knowledge Campus, students at IMS Kolkata enjoy a slight edge in placement outcomes. Key roles offered include critical care nurse, ICU technician, emergency medical technician, and biomedical engineer. Approximately 50% of the students secure internships at leading companies such as AIIMS, Apollo, and Fortis. Turning to academics, the college offers a total of 14 specialized BSc tracks ranging from animation and filmmaking, digital marketing and economics to psychology, medical lab training, and optometry. Admission requires passing score in the 10+2 examination with English as one of the subjects. The course fee ranges from 2.15 lakhs to 5.61 lakhs. Looking at the fees and the salary expectations, students enjoy solid first-year returns and, interestingly, even in courses with high fee, securing the BSc program a 3.9 star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Turning our attention to the 3.5 star rated infrastructure. The 0.5 acre campus located in Mukundapur Main Road, Kolkata, features well-ventilated AC classrooms, labs, library, auditoriums, canteen and admin room. Computer labs house up to 150 PCs with LAN connectivity and industry-grade softwares. Additional labs include a medical and critical care lab, outfitted with advanced equipment like cytocentrifuges and autoclaves, alongside an optometry lab featuring instruments like a slit lamp, retinoscopes, and ophthalmoscopes. Students praise the infrastructure, noting spacious classrooms with audiovisual tech and advanced labs equipped with latest medical tools that enrich their learning experience. The college lacks on-campus hostels but offers nearby PG accommodations. Moving on now to faculty and curriculum rated 3.7 by students. Students praise the faculty for their expertise, experience, and support. Professors not only provide insightful guidance but also share notes to ensure better understanding of tough concepts. The curriculum is well structured, blending practical and theoretical elements while integrating the latest industry trends, ensuring it remains relevant and aligned with industry standards. Shifting gears to campus life rated 3.6 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. The college offers a range of clubs including literary, photography, and cooking, among others. There are various events and festivals that are celebrated, and students feel fests are infrequent and money-driven, with the administration charging fees to organize them. Lastly, IMS Kolkata is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on IMS Kolkata, check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.